Meaning of Greek.
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 Greek. The term Greek can refer to various things depending on the context. Historically, it referred to the people of Greece, their language, and their culture. In mathematics, a Greek letter is often used as a symbol for a variable or constant, and in typography, it refers to a style of lettering inspired by ancient Greek inscriptions. In modern slang, "it's all Greek to me" means that something is incomprehensible or confusing. Overall, the word Greek has a range of meanings and connotations that are related to various aspects of history, language, and culture.